How to read a glass prescription. Usually a glass prescription will have the following terms. OD stands for oculus dexter, meaning right eye. OS stands for oculus sinister, meaning left eye. SPH stands for sphere. It refers to the degree of short or long sightedness one has as determined by the power of the lens. A plus sign indicates farsightedness or hypermetropia, which means difficulty seeing nearby objects without glasses. A minus sign indicates short-sightedness or myopia, which means difficulty seeing faraway objects without glasses. The abbreviation CYL on the prescription stands for cylindrical power. This lens power measurement indicates how much power is required to correct astigmatism. AXL or axis is used in patients with astigmatism. Along the measured axis, the cylindrical power will be incorporated in the glasses. This number shows the orientation or angle in degrees from 1 to 180. AD stands for the additional lens power needed to read comfortably. It is typically prescribed for those over 40 with presbyopia who need bifocals or progressive lenses for near activities such as reading or threading needles.